Acting up, standing no. Gauge fly and open racing. Mayday for the outside up. Goes up. Grace Park Boy moving up now. Is directors way around the outside, showing speed now. 5A. That's Matang. Too big to take the leader. It's now Matang Too Big, leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Directors Way. Mayday up. Goes up. Bows Benji now joining on the outside. Down Guru down followed now. Never say goodbye. Running by the Grace Park Boy. Apo next on line. Long way back. Well. Standing. Oh, Wild Hope and Cuts Diamond as they pass the half mile. Matang Too Big. Bows Benji now for the outside to take the leader. Bows Benji, Matang Too Big, Mayday, Down Guru also coming home now. And Apple does up, never say goodbye. Apple got to be hurry now. Inside the last 600. It is still Bows Benji, by a line followed by Down Guru. And down in third, Mayday, Apple does up, never say goodbye. Apple, well. Matang Too Big as they turn for home. Down Guru. From the outside, a long shot. Bows Benji, Mayday, and down to the finish. Down Guru washing up now. Apo from the outside, and finally Apo. Bows Benji, well. Down Guru, Apple goes up. Close, Grace Park Boy, and Mayday.
Okay, Bayang Karirista, for your race number 4, very exciting. Ito nga po ang ating unofficial winner, 11 horse, Apple with Kelvin Abobo. Pangatlong panalo na nga ni Kelvin yan. Ito naman po masasigundo, numero G, Boss Benji, numero 4, well, 12 na si Don Guru. 1, Apple Dusap, numero 6, Mayday. Yan po.